Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. As you know children, we have finished explanation of lesson number 3. Now it's the time to do the exercises of the same. Clear children? Now the first work that we are doing before starting our work in copy is to fill the index. See children, in lesson number 2 we have started this chapter from page number 8 and we have finished this chapter on page number 19 according to my copy. You see your copy. Now I am marking lesson number 3, the date I am writing today's date, and lesson number 3, the Northern Plains. And from which page we are going to start? I am going to start from page number 18. You see yours. Clear? After filling index, now come on a new page, mark the page number, today's date, then with black pen write lesson number 3, the Northern Plains. With black pen put the heading, tick the correct answer and then underline it with black pen. Now children, start from sentence number 1. Number 1 is the, write with blue pen, the Northern Plains, in which N and P is capital. The Northern Plains are the largest producer of which food grain? The Northern Plains are the largest producer of which food grain? Option A is wheat, B is rice, C is maize, in which all three letters are capital. W, R, M. Wheat, rice, maize. See the spellings carefully children. Now children, if you remember, I explained you that the soil of Northern Plains, they are very fertile, and because of which rice grows well in it, and it is also known as rice bowl of India. So the correct option is option B, rice. Sentence number 2. Again with blue pen. The Bhakra Dam is built over which river? In which B and D is capital. Bhakra, Bhakra. The Bhakra Dam is built over which river? Options you will write with black pen. In which Satluj, Satluj. Option A Satluj. B is Ravi and C is Beas, Beas. Children, if you remember, I taught you this in Satluj River Basin. In Satluj River Basin, you have studied that the Bhakra Nagal Dam is built on river Satluj. So the correct option is A. Tick it with black pen. Sentence number 3, start with blue pen. Which two rivers form the Sundarbans Delta? Which two rivers form the Sundarbans Delta? Sundarbans. Sundarbans Delta. Now option A is Ravi, Satluj. Option B is Ganga, Brahmaputra. Option C is Ganga, Yamuna. These options write with black pen. Children, if you remember, in Brahmaputra river basin, we have studied that these two rivers merge to form delta, and that is known as Sundarbans Delta. It is the biggest delta. So tick option number B, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Ganga, Brahmaputra. Now come on a new page, write page number and today's date. Again start writing with blue pen because we are going to write sentence number 4. Banaras is famous for. Option A is silk. B is chicken embroidery. CHIKN chicken. EMBROIDERY embroidery. Option C is jute products. Children, this you all know very well that Banaras is famous for silk saris. So tick option number A with black pen, silk. Now come on sentence number 5. Again take blue pen in your hand. Shanti Niketan, a famous educational EDUCATIONAL, a famous educational institution INSTITUTION, institution in West Bengal comma, was founded by. Children, if you remember, in West Bengal state, we have studied that Rabindranath Tagore was the founder of Shanti Niketan Institute in West Bengal. Clear? So A option, Dwarka Nath Tagore, write with black pen. Then B, Rabindranath Tagore. C, Vivekananda. You will say Vivekanand, but you will write A here. Now see the spellings carefully. Dwarkanath. Dwarkanath Tagore. Tagore. Option B, Rabindranath. Rabindranath Nath. Tagore. Tagore. Then C is Vivekanand. Vivek. Vivek. Ka A Nanda. Nanda. And you will tick the option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Now come on, sentence number 6. Lord Buddha attained enlightenment in. Enlightenment means Gyan. Lord Buddha attained enlightenment in. Enlight. Enlighten. Ten. Ment. Ment. Enlightenment. Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Option A is Bihar. Option B is Punjab. Option C is Haryana. Write with black pen. And children, if you remember, in Bihar state, we have studied that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment, or you can say Gyan Prapt Hua, in which place? At Bihar. So tick with black pen option A, Bihar. Now come on, sentence number 7. Chhat is the main festival of. Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Haryana. Clear? W and B capital. West Bengal, B and GAL. Bengal, B is Bihar, C is Haryana. Children, if you remember that the many festivals are celebrated in Bihar, but Chhat Puja, Chhat is the special festival that is celebrated over there with great pomp. Okay? So tick option number B, Bihar. Now come on, next page, write the page number and date first of all with black pen. Now come on, option number 8. The capital of Jharkhand is. Jharkhand. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is option A, Ranchi. Ranchi. Option B, Bokaro. Bokaro. Option C, Dhanbad. 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 Clear? So capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. So you have to take option number A with black pen, that is Ranchi. Clear? Now children, if you see, we have done tick the correct option in which 8 statements are there. You have to write 3 options of each. You have to write sentence with blue pen. You have to write options with black pen. You have to tick with black pen. You have to leave one line after that. Clear? And write it in a beautiful way with correct spellings. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, children. Now stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.